You know, below 200, humans and animals do not experience that they exist. They do not know or experience that they are. Only over 200 do you become aware that you are. Therefore, there's no concern for others below 200. Over 200, you experience that you are. So you presume that the little beetle on his back is distressed. You stop and turn him over. All right, so you have a different way of relating to the world. So intention means you end up relating to the world in a more benevolent fashion towards all of life. It also opens your eyes to beauty. Once the right brain is energized by Kundalini energy, if you stare too much at that, you're going to stop the lecture. As you move along, eventually you discover what you can't do and still function in the world. All right. So because the stunning beauty of everything begins to shine forth, and it's startling, it's iridescent, the absolute perfection and exquisite beauty of all that exists shines forth. Everything that exists within form is incredibly and magnificently beautiful. And that begins to dawn on you. You're walking through the woods and suddenly, wow, did somebody turn on the Technicolor or what? Everything begins to radiate and shimmer with an innate beauty, not a conceptualized beauty that you project onto it, but its essence shines forth. It reveals itself. So spiritual truth is not acquired. It's revealing. It's self-revealing. And as it shines forth, the mind goes silent. There's nothing to be said. The perfection of all things stands forth. Huh?